Hey beauty queen, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Lita. I am back today with another bang girl, y'all. So you feel me? Today I am gonna be doing a bust unboxing, y'all. So this box is the Kimmy Luxe doll Girly box that was sent to me for the month of December. Before we get into the review, I would first of all like to show you this shirt right here. It's really long, so I have to fold it up. So this shirt is by Rissa and Quan. If you don't know, then they are YouTuber, like, you know, like YouTuber couples that like do some praying. They always coming up with bangers, like, you feel me? Like their blogs is always cute. Like, you know, I just love them. I always like watch them and stuff, like, and I just like to support them. So Rissa and Quan have their own clothing line, and I got two of their shirt. You feel me? If you want to give people, it's Christmas, you want to give them present, this is the perfect shirt to give for a person. And like, this is cute, like, you feel me? So go support them, go get your own shirt, you feel me? Like, you know, go get them shirt, go watch that video. I'm gonna put their name right up here so you can like check them out, because those are my people. Go check them out, go check them out right now, go check them out. You're gonna like them, y'all. They're really cute. This is the bus. This is exactly how the bus come. Let's talk about the customer service, because if you want to shop anyway, you have to like know how the customer service is, whether it sucks or good. I would give or 10 over 10. So Kimmy, she did a really good job with the customer service, because mind you, I saw this overall stuff on Facebook, and I like literally emailed her like, yo, I want to try that, like, you know what I'm saying? I would like to know how like this thing work out. Like, I like surprises, like I want to open the box and just not know what is in it, like, you feel me? So I want to give her a try. And she's like, where do you live? I sent her my address and everything. She said, go order your bus, girl. I did order my stuff. And like, you know, she just keep in contact with you. She sent me this whole list, like, you know, of what I wanted. She got all my information. It's not like what you wanted, but she sent you like this list of what's your name, where you from, what's your size, say what's your quarter, like your favorite quarter, what's your favorite brand of, you know, stuff. Like, you know, I do like Gucci, like what do you really like. She really try to get to know you on a personal level. Like, that just show that she cared about her, like, you know, her customers. Like, you know, that just show like, you know, this girl is the real MVP out there, yo. She's just not sending you some mystery box. She's actually putting effort. Like, she's trying to know you. She's trying to see what you like before you even send you the box. Like, you feel me? So I want to say, like, you know, thank you for that, because that make people feel special. The fact that you give them attention, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, other people out there don't do that. Like, you know, they just like literally charge you for the buzz and they send you some random stuff. They don't even know you like that. But this girl try her best. She go out of her way to like make sure that she get to know you before she send you the box. So I appreciate you, baby girl. Still keep doing you, y'all. Still keep doing you. Okay, so customer service is great. The busing, you can already see the packaging right here, y'all. The packaging is amazing. She have like her name and her brand right on the box. Like, you know, there is nothing gonna fall out of this bag. It doesn't look tragic. It's like, you know, this is like a real MVP packaging. Like, you feel me? Like, you know, first class. Let's go. This is what you get. So like, the packaging is really cute, so I like the packaging. Let's just open the box and see what is in it, because I am curious, y'all. What is in this box? Da-da! Da-da-da-da-da! Yo, she really did the packaging really nice, yo. Like, oh, okay. Okay, sis, I see you. Yo, there's a bag in here, y'all. This girl is really serious about this packaging. Like, it's freaking good quality. Like, you know, good quality, yo. She's not giving out no trashy shit out here, y'all. Shout out to you, baby girl. Keep doing you. So this is the first thing that came out of the box. What is this? Oh. Oh. I still don't know what is this. Baby girl, I don't know what is this. What is this? Alright, hold on, let me read on it real quick, y'all. Oh, it's a skincare like for your skin. So you basically, if you have makeup on, this girl know me, yo. It's like she know me. Like, do you know me? So basically, it's like when you wear makeup, you just like when you take off your makeup, you just put this on your skin to feel soft and stuff like that. Okay, okay, baby girl, I see you, I see you, I see you. Moving on, moving on. Okay. So in this little bag, there's still two stuff, you know. Yo, this is so cute. So so you can just hang this on your Christmas tree, like, you know what I'm saying? That's so cute. It's like a snowflake, y'all. You just hang it on your Christmas tree. I'm gonna hang this on my Christmas tree. That's so cute. Thank you, girl. Okay, so next is this big stuff right here. Yo, this skirt is big as hell. So next is this skirt for the this little ass bags have a big ass skirt in it. This is crazy, yo. Okay, so I have this skirt. I mean, this is really not my style, but thank you for the effort. It's so big, yo. Have you seen my waist? My waist is tiny. Like, I'm extra small. But yeah, this skirt is cute. I could give this to somebody as a present. It's it's a cute skirt. It's a nice color. We're gonna put this on the side. And then next we have this right here. Create a moment. What is this? It said I have milk or water to it. So basically, it's supposed to be like a hot chocolate in it already. So you just put water in it, hot water or hot milk in it, and enjoy your holiday. Okay, I see you, girl. And then next is this right here. I don't know what to say. It's a picture frame. This is really a mystery bag. It have random shit in it. Yo, it's cute, yo. Okay, and last but not least is this little card. What does it say? Oh, she just like, it's just a thank you card. Baby girl, thank you. Okay guys, so basically this is it for this video. Thank you so much for staying tuned. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for watching. I will see y'all in my next video. Subscribe, like, comment. Do not forget to subscribe, yo. Yeah, thank you for watching, y'all. I will see y'all in my next video.